How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11. Let's get started. At the bottom left corner, you can find the search box. Over there, type in View Network Connection. Once it appears, click on the option of Open. Now go ahead and click on the option of Wi-Fi. Right-click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of Properties. Open it. Now go ahead and click on the option of Internet Protocol version 4. Just click on it and then head towards the option of Properties. Open it. Now check in for the option of using the following DNS server addresses and then type in 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS server, and for the alternative DNS server type in 8.8.4.4. Once you type in that, click on OK. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you can close these. Now at the bottom left corner, you can see the search box. Over there, type in Run. Once app appears, click on Open. Now type in ipconfig //DNS and then click on OK. Likewise, heading towards next solution, search for the app Device Manager. Once app appears, open it. A new window will open up. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of Network Adapters. Under that, you're going to find different options. Head towards your Wi-Fi adapter. Just double click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of Update Driver. Now click on the option Search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Now you can close this. If all these solution doesn't work for you, you can apply this last solution. For that, search for command prompt. After it appears, right click on it and then select the option of Run as Administrator. Now over here, type in the command prompt native space winsuck space reset and then press enter. After you complete this, give a fresh restart to your PC, and with that your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 11. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.